What do you want to do, formation or what? Go. Yes, they do. That's fine. Really? I'll come with you. Be right with you.
Low pass from the left.
Go. Still call it out though. Let me catch you so we can try to stay together.
I just like opening. I just like getting wide open when the battery's fresh.
Oh yeah, because you can really feel it.
Yeah, I think it flies better with the 6.
6,000?
Yeah, it flies good with both, but I'm flying the 6,000 right now.
You probably have more everything with the 6,000. Flight time, punch, all of that.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh god.
It's in the Bay Area now.
Oh, I know. I think it's always been here. It's just.
I'm doing it fast.
Go. I'll go with you.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna pull up right here by us, right by the sun. Doing a little loop and coming back around.
God, that was cool. We did that pass.
Oh yeah. I'll join up with you
Time
again.
remaining 1 minute.
After this pass, I'll join up with you. I'll get you, don't worry. It's windier up there.
Oh yeah, I can feel it. Alright, I'm slowing down.
Go. I'm
This
diving,
thing likes to coast, so.
diving down onto you. Stay to the outside of the turn.
30 seconds.
I got plenty of time too.
I can.
Go.
7, 6.
I got plenty of time.
I'll go and get a little bit of speed.
3, 2.
Ready?
Yeah, go.
Ready, Mike?
Time
I'll come right behind him. Let me try a four-pointer.
Yeah, I messed that one up in the upside down part of it. Speed spray. Yeah, I think I'll go.
Get a little risky. So let's kind of, we want to come together, come landing together. I'll join up with you on downwind.
I'll go close as fast.
Okay.
1 minute
Okay with it.
over.
Don't really need it, do you?
Landing flaps.
Woohoo.
Flaps up.
Cool. That was fun.
That was fun. That was a good comparison point.
Oh, yep, I see you.
And it won't stop.
Alrighty, your turn. Thanks for waiting. Good stuff, Nate. That was good.
Yeah, looks like you guys know what you're doing.
Oh, if it seems that way, that's all that matters. If it seems that way, that's all that matters, right?